Delinquent of texting a violent threat is sentenced to probation.
As we've been reporting for the past year, Daniel Marquez sent private texts to a friend, text he says were a joke about a scam involving money and guns, followed by a reference to a school event. Daniel was arrested, charged, and found delinquent at trial of a second-degree felony. His case made national and international headlines after the Lee County Sheriff posted the boy's perp walk on Facebook 3 hours after the arrest. Wink News investigative reporter Celine MacArthur has been leading our coverage on this and shows you what happened in court.
Judge Carolyn Swift didn't say how long Daniel would be on probation, but the conditions include a 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew, a diversion class, a visit before a neighborhood accountability board, and he has to write a 500-word essay on what is a school threat and what did I learn from this case. What we learned today is the judge decided to withhold Daniel's conviction.
The court will withhold adjudication, even though I have previously adjudicated him based on the youth's young age and the state attorney's non-objection to a withhold.
It matters for the purposes of a criminal record and when things are sealable or not sealable, but for the purposes the court did find him delinquent in the trial and then gave him the withhold of adjudication afterwards.
Prosecutor Scott Miller then took aim at Daniel's father, Derek. He asked the judge to punish him for a TikTok video he once posted of himself with his oldest son, not Daniel, lip-syncing to a song that included vulgar lyrics.
Here is his father, who's responsible for modeling and teaching appropriate social media responsibility and communication. And I believe what Your Honor is about to see is demonstrating that Mr. Derek Marquez would benefit from services teaching him better skill set to model and teach Mr. Daniel Marquez social media responsibility.
Saiz and Derek argued the TikTok video wasn't relevant to Daniel's case and a clear violation of their constitutional rights.
There's no allegation that this is by itself a criminal action. This isn't a threat. He said words that we would rather he not say, which is at its core what the First Amendment is designed to protect.
The judge agreed and dismissed the request.
Mr. Marquez, just like every parent, has their First Amendment rights.
Derek believes the introduction of that TikTok video into court was payback for not backing down when it comes to defending his son.
I feel that it was the prosecutor's way of embarrassing me, but I feel like I don't get easily embarrassed or intimidated.
State Attorney Amira Fox sat quietly in the courtroom while the hearing was taking place. We asked her for an interview and she turned us down, saying she wasn't sure if she wanted to comment, and she told us to reach out to her communications team. In the meantime, the Marquez family is planning to appeal, and they have 30 days to file the paperwork. Now, you can see my entire investigation right now on winknews.com. Back to you.